Hello there, my name is Matthew Coronado. I'm one of the drum instructors here at Sci-Fi Music and Arts, and today I'd like to show you how you can create a groove. And you can do this on pots and pans, you can do this on pillows, anything you have around your house, as long as you have a pair of sticks and some groove in your heart, you can do anything. So once you've got a good grip on the sticks and good posture, right, we're going to start building a groove. So there are three main ingredients. You have your timekeeper, the hi-hat, you got your backbeat, the snare drum, and you got your oomph from the kick drum. Okay, so we're going to start building them one at a time, and all we're going to do is layer them on top of one another. Okay? So we'll start with the hi-hat. So the hi-hat kind of acts like a little clock, kind of ticking away, just keeping time for us. Now snare comes in, kind of add our backbeat, add our structure in there. And our kick drum adds that oomph. We can take things away, mess around with the ingredients, and bring it all back together. So there you got it. Again, you can do this on pillows, you can do it on pots and pans, as long as you kind of build things one thing at a time and listen to some music and then just kind of key in on the drums, because everything's there. You got your timekeeper, you got your backbeat, and you got your oomph from the kick drum. So there you go. You got a little groove now.